Hello, my name is Peter Stepansky, and in this video we'll be going over assignment 6, or the happy numbers function. Alright, so when we run the module and then run the main function, it starts like this. So enter a positive integer, type end to finish. So if we type an end, it's just going to say nothing to return. So when we run it again and show some of the actual logic, we'll see 2. 2 is a sad number, and as you can see here, it shows up all the numbers that go along with it, and then once it sees a loop like 4 and then 4, then that's when it ends. So let's just keep going. Let's try 50. So 50 is another sad number, as you can see, 89, 89, so it just stops. Let's see, 23. It's a happy number because then it ends at 1. Let's see if we can find another happy number. 26 is a sad number. I think 97 is a happy number. Okay, so when we type end, then I kind of made it like so it looks like a clean way, summing up all the results with 2, 50, 26 being sad, followed by all the following numbers, and then 23 and 97 being happy with all these following numbers, and then thanks to the user for participating. Okay, so how do we catch and handle exceptions due to invalid numbers? So I do that in this try catch block. As you can see here, it tries to right here, and then accept any value error, and then it says invalid input, please enter positive int or end, and then it returns none, so therefore it like reruns the function without inputting any of like the strings or other thing or booleans or anything else the user wanted to put in. And then how do we compute the sum of squares of a number's digits? So we do that down here. So I found out the way I did it was like I basically turned the number into a string, and then at that point just concatenated. So for D in the string, it turns the string, separates the two digits within the string, turns it back into a string, and then squares it, and then sums those two squares. So I do that in this line of code. And then how does your code know when to stop operating on sad numbers? So essentially once it starts detecting a loop, so I do it in the happy numbers check. So if the variable is in scene is one of like the sets that we have over here, so it helps to prevent like any duplicates and remembers numbers you've seen before. Then it returns sad plus like that sequence, which is like kind of like that list of all the things within it. And then how do your accumulators work in some of these? So as you can see here, I can add the variables into it, and then I also do append to the sequence, and that kind of helps to like add and like append any of the things I add to the dictionaries. And that's how I figured out how to do it. All right, thank you.